You better turn up. You better be there when I shake. Watch me rocking if I can't stop. If I should fall, just go ahead. Go and catch me, baby. Ooh, I live it. That's my choo-choo-la. Ooh, I love it. Crank it up.
What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So today we are finishing up decorating my home for the fall. There were a couple of areas that I didn't get a chance to get to in my last video. So today we are going to be finishing up decorating Riley's room. I did end up finding some additional fall decor items to decorate in there as well. So I'll be sharing with you guys another like mini haul. We're going to finally be doing the DIY, which you guys can kind of see in the back a little bit. It was so much easier to do than I had thought, and it came out exactly the way that I had envisioned it in my head. Riley's obsessed with it, and it's definitely something that we will put up every single season. And then we're going to be finishing up in the living room, just underneath the TV. Any little extra items that I had, I kind of just used to decorate there. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. It's giving you all of like the minimal fall decor vibes. So we're going to start off by finishing up in Riley's room, where we start to decorate her window.
With me, looking for someone who can play though. Wanna hang with me? I'm not really looking for a friend, so spend your time with me. Looking for someone not afraid to give it all to me. Get next to me, get next to me. All that I want is to get next to you, get next to you. Not asking for much, but it feels like the two of us are golden, are gold. You see, we'll do you good, so take a chance on me. It's magical when you are close, so get closer, babe. We'll do you good, 'cause I am golden, I'm golden. You're not really looking for a friend, so you're the type for me. Never thought that loving would be easy, but it's all for free. Won't cost a thing, so it's yours, worth a try. Oh, this is the real thing. I'm down if you're down, boy. Get next to me, get next to me. All that I want is to get next to you, get next to you. Not asking for much.
So Riley and I were able to paint all of the wooden pieces. We have the cat, the ghost, and then also the witch's hat. It did take us some time, like probably 3 different coats to get the right white for the ghost. A lot of the white paint that we had, it was almost like clear for some reason, but thankfully I was able to find some spray paint, and we were able to put on like, this is like 3 coats of just the spray paint alone. But I think they look really good. So I'm going to use this very clear string and tie them with the little holes up at the top, and then we will start hanging them up in the hallway. All right, so we're all finished. We are all finished. I made 2 different lengths because I didn't want everything to be hanging at the same length, if that makes sense. So the ones over to the sides are going to be the shorter ones, and then these 3 are going to be the longer ones. So let's get some tape and put these up.
I want to be daring, baby, dance the night away. I let my head down if I want. Don't you just get tired chasing fame and being pretty all the time? Doesn't sound like fun. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I want to be silly, baby, dance the night away. I'll kick my shoes off if I want. Let yourself be free, and maybe you will find that there is more to life than being pretty. Honey, let's just face it. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. You can.
So here is what the hallway looks like. It is so cute. I cannot wait to show Riley what it looks like. I love how, you know, you have some that are higher than others. I think just splitting it into 2 was really, really nice. The only thing is I wasn't really able to put too many hanging decorations here, just, you know, with the door and everything, but I think we were able to make it work. But this is just so cute. And then especially with her door and everything, and with it being like closed, I was almost even considering like not even doing a wreath and just kind of like maybe replacing like the bats and everything. I think that might just be cute. But then with all of this too, it's just like a whole like Halloween themed hallway. All right, so there's a couple of areas that I still just need to decorate in Riley's room, and I was able to find a couple of things from the Dollar Tree and then also Target that I'm going to use to kind of decorate on her shelf and then also her bookcase. So let me show you guys. So I got this cute little like ghost. I was thinking about painting it, but like I'm kind of over it now, maybe next year, but this cute little ghost that lights up and everything. I got that from the Dollar Tree, and then also the same thing with the pumpkin, and the pumpkin lights up as well. So maybe put one here, but then I also have like over on her like kitchen area, maybe you can decorate a little bit over there as well. And then I was telling you guys I was looking for something to decorate her bookcase with. So I ended up finding these little like string lights. I thought they were cute, so I got 3 of them. So I got the skulls, and then also pumpkins and bats. So we're just gonna hang those up along her bookcase. And then I was at Target earlier today, and I saw this at the Target dollar section. I just thought it was so cute, like these little cute spiders. It came in 2 different colors, like a pink and then also a silver. So I just got one of each. I figured I can put that close to like the pumpkin or the ghosts, and then also the little pumpkin that she has as well. So we're gonna finish up in here, decorate, and then there is just one last place that I need to decorate is underneath the TV. Not too much, but just adding a couple little of holiday, just a couple different like Halloween, fall themed decor. So the last 3 pieces that I have is this little like fuzzy pumpkin, and then these 2 little lanterns. I do have the little glow up light to put in them, and I feel as if like this area is missing a little something. Not too much because I clearly don't have much to decorate with, but I'm thinking maybe put a lantern on either side, and then the pumpkin paired with one of the lanterns. But that's kind of all I have left, and I think that should be good.